Progress reports. In this video, I thought about sharing something we here at Audacious Sleep use and has always proven to be a solid business practice that I think all companies should implement. I'm talking about daily progress reports. But before we go into detail, we first need to create a bit of context. More precisely, for this to work, you need to have a big picture plan. You can do this for the month, the year, 5 years, or for the next 20 years if you want. Then you should split that master plan into weekly milestones. Identify what needs to get done each week in order to be on track with your mission. For example, for our content strategy for 2017, we set out to create 50 small courses, 50 episodes of this series, 50 of another YouTube series, write 150 articles, and create 50 quick start guides. Converted into weekly goals, it means we need to have each week one new course ready, one episode of each YouTube series, 3 articles, and 1 quick start guide. It helps enormously to know on Monday what you need to achieve by Friday, because with no vision and absence of a clear goal, even if you do hard work and put in the hours, you won't get closer to your dreams because you're mostly doing guesswork. It's like watching documentaries. You feel smart and as if you're getting an education when watching them, but if I ask you something about that topic, 1 week later, you'll remember 1 or maybe 2 things that really impressed you. You only get the illusion of knowledge, same way when working without a goal, you get the illusion of progress. But let's get back to our reports. You now have the big picture, have set your weekly milestones, so what follows is making your daily reports. So at the end of each day, you write a quick summary with what you plan to achieve in that day, goals, what you actually achieved, results, and why you didn't get to achieve what you set out to, problems. And this entire process should not take you more than 10 minutes. If it does, then you're doing something wrong. It needs to be quick and to the point. But the important part of this strategy is not the how, but the why. And the benefit to cost ratio for implementing it is just phenomenal. For starters, you will always know where you are, and awareness is core to the success of any business. Then, this will allow you to better estimate future work. If a task you thought would take only 3 hours took 6, next time you will know to allocate 6 hours for its completion. And it's also a tool that allows optimization. You'll identify some activities that take a big chunk of your time and know that if you can reduce the time they take, you'll have more available for other high return tasks. It's ideal for managing people as well. You will know at the end of each day what everyone achieved. And not only this, but you'll know what problems they face. And this will allow you to offer solutions so your team will become even more effective. And last but not least, it has both story and trust building value. For example, having an internal track record can be a very strong incentive for investors to want to be part of your company because they can see that you not only talk the talk, but also walk the walk. And commitment and consistency is a rare trait these days. So besides the immediate rewards, creating daily progress reports can reap benefits even years after the goals were achieved. However, nothing comes without risks and costs. And with this strategy, they are as simple as they are dangerous. The biggest problem is that you need to keep doing it. Actually enforcing this internally and having everyone follow the format and allocate 10 minutes at the end of their day. Then comes the next part that most overlook, actually using the data and making decisions based on it. For example, let's say you have a team and in their problems section they mention a software that runs slowly and ruins their productivity. If you fail to read everyone's reports and make decisions based on them, you will miss out on a lot of opportunities to maximize results. So before we end this video, let's quickly go over everything once more. Step number 1, identify your big goal. Second is break it down into weekly milestones. Then write your daily reports with goals, results, and problems. And remember, this shouldn't take longer than 10 minutes. And the fourth step is to use the data from those reports and adapt based on that insight. And don't forget to let us know how you plan on implementing this or how using this strategy helped your business. I'm Doru, and you've watched 1001 Ways to Improve Your Business.